think today's the day.
I tell you the difference between me and them. They trying to get the ones, I'm trying to get them M's. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. In just 5 years, 40 million more.
Yeah, you're a hit.
Hello.
Hello. I need to get you to like me and get you out of this cage. You want this? What? You want this? I'll leave it right there. In case. Ah. Oh my god, you about killed me right there.
Hello.
You're like a dinosaur. Do you want this? You are being so weird today. Alright. We're gonna do this again. I'll leave that right there. In case you want it. No. You eat that? You want to spit it? That was a good time to mention that we're doing a giveaway with this shirt because the name of this shirt is all acronyms. I'll put it up on the screen right here. You can put what you think it is in the comments, or we're doing it on Instagram and Twitter. You can put it anywhere. If anyone guesses it right, we'll send you the shirt. Maybe a couple, I don't know. But this one for sure. I like it. If no one guesses this right, I'm keeping the shirt. My animals are cool. Sean left me in a hot car. Because I'm an embarrassment. Some people find it hilarious. I'm born ready. What's up, dude?
We're wrestling. Just hit anything that moves at this point.
Today's the day, motherfuckers. Come on. Oh my god. You're a dinosaur.
Hello.
Head rub? Head rub? Oh my god. He about killed me. What is your anger towards me, man? Nah, I need one of those gloves that like they use for like falcons. Those big ones. Super freak. Super freak. He's super freaky. I touched him. I touched him. Oh my god! He almost killed me!
It's just happy. It's really happy. And I never felt this way with a girl like that.
Oh my god. He almost killed me.
I tried. You're a goddamn psycho. Get your bird back in its cage.
His feathers all flop out when you get near him.
Why? Everyone loves Doritos.
That have been shattering our relationship and not being
Those
a place
Doritos
where
are
you
stale.
say,
I wouldn't eat any of it.
Hola, Ovito, that's what they saying when I roll up with my people. My music banging like Vatos Locos, got rap in the choco, and I won't surrender it with beats by Timberland, Kanye, De La Boca. My baby, all I wanna do is stroke your
Like and subscribe, am I right? Far out.